starting from, right? Ready, right?
Yes, sir.
We started from dry tap. So what is the meaning of dry tap? Failure to get a sample upon successful bone marrow biopsy or aspiration is called as dry tap condition. What is the main reason for dry tap condition? Fibrosis, myelofibrosis. Okay, myelofibrosis. Very good. That is called dry tap. Then we discussed about bone marrow aspiration. In bone marrow aspiration, we focused on its introduction, adequate preparation, materials required. Then we discussed about types of smear preparation. What are the 4 types? Wedge smear, crush smear, cover slip smear, and imprint smear. Very good. After smearing, we went for fixation. Upon fixing, we state what are the 2 broad categories of stains. We have Romanowski stains and special stains. What is the feature of Romanowski stains? These are the stains that have alcohol as a base, right? So, what are the examples of Romanowski stains? Ginza, Leishman, Wrights, and May-Grunwald Ginza, modified Ginza. Then, after staining, what is the next protocol? Checking the adequacy of the sample, right? So, that is what we discussed. So, introduction, then immediate sample processing, then adequating, that means equal distribution of the sample. Upon equal distribution, we took some materials, usually the materials that required for smearing, including cover slips, glass slips, etc. And mixing sticks. Then we have 4 methods. As we discussed, we have cover slip wedge method, cover slip method, crush smear, then imprint method. Okay, imprint and squash method. Then we discussed about fixation. The purpose of fixation is for preserving the sample. And what is the meaning of fixation, or what is the working principle of fixation? Here, the proteins will be cross links will form among the proteins, leading to preservation of the proteins, leading to the morphology preservation. Very good. Then we discussed types of Romanowski and cytological, and we discussed the principle of Romanowski. What is the principle of Romanowski? Basic dye or basic stain will stain the acidic part of the cell, and acidic stain will stain the basic part of the cell. That is the basic principle of the Leishman stain. Okay. Then we discussed about cell adaptations. So whenever cell is under stress, it will try to adapt either by decreasing its size. Decreased size is called as atrophy. Increased size is called as hypertrophy. Increased in the cell count is called as hyperplasia. Very good. Then change of the cell shape is called as metaplasia. Then change, uncontrolled, undifferentiated, irregular growth of cells is called as dysplasia. Dysplasia can lead to neoplasm, which is a starting stage of the cancer. And the more dysplastic cells, the advanced the stage of the cancer. Right. Then I also discussed a small portion about adequacy of the sample, where in this case we have a particulate and hemodiluted, scan, fat-rich, particulate, and richly particulate. This is the best type of smear, okay, to obtain a bone marrow. Thank you so much, students.